ndị be anyị bịakwanụ ka unu nụrụ ife mere ebe a. O wee bụ na nwatakịrị unu na-afụ kịta anụnwa bụ ndị polisi jidere ya, ọ dị 11 years. O wee bụ na ya bụ nwatakịrị na ife unu furu obu n'aka bụ ife ọ na-ele ele, nne ya ebiri anya jee lee ma mkpụrụ mmiri ma nna anyị bi n'ime ọfịa ma nke a na-akpọ akpọ ma nke a na-aṅụ aṅụ. Ndị polisi na-ajụ ya afafa, o wee na-akpọsịsị afafa ncha niile. Ndị polisi wee sị na-arụ kedu ka nwatakịrị dị 11 years ya esi wee mara afọ ife niile anụnwa. Ka ndị polisi jidezie nwatakịrị a wee jee tụnye n'ime ụlọ nga. Otu onye wee pụta n'ihu akwụkwọ wee dee wee sị na o nwere nwatakịrị dị 11 years ndị polisi jidere wee tinye n'ime ụlọ nga na enweghị ife nya bụ nwatakịrị mere na aka ya dị ọcha. Na ebe ahụ ndị polisi jidere ya bụ nwatakịrị nọ n'ime keke na ụmụ okorobịa niile gbara ya okirikiri nọ n'ime keke ahụ na fa na-aṅụ mkpụrụ mmiri na fa na-aṅụ igbo na afafa adịghị mma. Na ya bụ ụmụ okorobịa a bụ ife mere ife kpatalụ ndị polisi ji wee jide nwatakịrị a. Si ndị polisi wee na-agwa nne na nna nwatakịrị a na fa weta 500,000 naira ka e wee hapụ nwatakịrị a. Onye ka nya bụ onye decha anya bụ ife n'ihu akwụkwọ wee na-ebo ndị polisi ebubo na nwatakịrị ada 11 years na o nweghị ife o mere na aka ya dị ọcha. Onye ka ndị mmadụ na-ebugharịzi nya bụ ife n'ihu akwụkwọ. Onye nke bụ onye isi ndị polisi Bright Edefe wee pụta wee sị na ife ahụ onye ahụ dere tii n'ihu akwụkwọ ya na-asị ka ọ na-asị na ọ na-ebo ndị uwe ojii ebubo na onye ọbụla ya ebokwa ndị uwe ojii ebubo kịta na ndị uwe ojii ya apụta kwokwuru ọnụ fa. Unu ya ege ntị mama digielu n'ebe a ka unu nụ ajụjụ ndị uwe ojii gbara fa nụkwa n'ifefa kwuru. Amakwọ ka nne na nna isi dị mma ya esi wee bulu afịa wee binye nwa dị 11 years si anya jee lerie. Hey, amakwọ m ife ụwa na-aghọzikwa.
I am SP Edefe Bright and this is Delta State Police Command. Today is Saturday, but because of the importance of this, what we are doing today, that's the reason why I've come to the office on a Saturday on my full police uniform to bring this to you. It is particularly a sad one that personally I don't see any pleasure or fun in even doing this because it's very sad. However, yesterday a particular ex-user posted something online alleging that policemen arrested an 11-year-old who did not do anything and they did this to her and they did it to her. All she did was to attract public sympathy, and that prompted my attention to contact the division to ascertain indeed what truly happened. You deserve to hear from both sides. It's everywhere on the blog and people are condemning the police, but that was then. Now the police have a voice on the internet. When you accuse us, we are there now to counter it and also bring facts that these people who are looking for cheap publicity, content creation, engagement, don't actually have. That is why we are here today. Madam, what will be your name?
Esther.
Esther who?
Esther Ogbunubo.
Where you dey stay?
Warri.
How old are you?
I'm 45.
Okay, this girl went there beside you. What will be her name?
Rejoice.
Rejoice. How old is she?
She's 11 years.
Okay. What they say she do yesterday for Ekpan police station?
They see her with drugs.
What kind of drugs?
Codeine and tramadol.
Okay. Okay. Codeine and tramadol, abi?
Yes.
Okay. Who sent her? Where did she get these drugs from?
For Warri.
Where for Warri?
For Jakpa Road.
What did they sell her there?
Yes, sir.
You send her? Now you send her or she just go there on her own?
Now me send her.
How much you send her to buy all these drugs? How much you give her?
About 100,000.
These drugs were there, reach 100,000?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My friend.
Rejoice.
What is your name?
Rejoice.
Okay, Rejoice. This mommy close to you. Who is she to you?
My mother.
She's your mother. Okay. These drugs, which person hand they see yesterday?
My hand.
Your
Hand.
Your hand. Were you inside a keke?
Yes.
You and who did the keke?
Only me.
Only you. But a person drive you now.
Yes.
Okay. What be this?
Codeine.
Which particular drug be this?
Codeine.
Codeine. This one dey part of the one they see for your hand.
Yes.
Which one be this?
Black diamond.
Okay, yeah, this black diamond, I'm not particularly sure if it is controlled or not. But I know it's for libido. So I don't have much business with this. Which one is this?
Tramadol.
Tramadol. Okay. So this tramadol and this codeine. Where you forget them?
Worry.
Worry. Who send you?
My mommy.
Your mommy. Now your hand dey see am, abi dey see am for another place. You come say na you carry am.
In my hand.
Where did you? Which bag you put am? You put am inside bag.
No.
You hold the drug for hand like this.
No, back of the keke.
Okay. This particular nylon. Okay. Oh. This one na wetin?
Swino.
Swinol. So you can confirm that in your hands they saw Swinol, codeine, and tramadol. Now my real concern is not that she was even found with drugs, but my concern is that how can an 11-year-old be able to identify these drugs by their name? I've not taken it close to her eye to even see what is there. She already knows this is codeine, this is Swinol, and this is tramadol. It's not right. It's not right. In any way, it is not right. That is why we have to be very, very careful about what we expose our children to. Madam, all these things, the reports wey dey online say the girl dey keke, dey go her home, police arrest am with boys wey carry drug. Na wetin happen with that?
No, she's lying.
Who send the girl the drug?
Na me send am.
Okay, this business, how long you don dey do am? I told you I don't want a lie.
I don dey do am close to 2 years now.
Close to 2 years.
Yes.
Now you don dey sell.
Yes.
Okay, who are the people who usually petrol? Who dey buy these drugs from you?
Na boys dey buy am, but sometimes me as if dey take because of sleep. Sometimes I no dey feel the sleep, so I dey take.
You dey take some of them. Why
Yes.
boys dey buy am?
Yes.
Which categories of boys dey usually buy this thing?
Na Yahoo boys.
Yahoo boys. Who are Yahoo boys? Okay, you don't know. You just know say they be Yahoo boys. And no problem. I like the fact that you don't answer since you don't know, because like I said, I don't want a lie. Just tell me the truth. So that's it basically for now. It is very important for the right narrative for you to be informed of the actual circumstances or the actual story. And that is why we are here. Please, I want you to view these drugs again. These are what was found in the hands of an 11-year-old girl. Tramadol, codeine, Swinol. I'm not concerned about this one, but you people should judge for yourself if this is right or wrong. Thank you, and God bless you always.